Hi guys, I'm Charlee Atkins, and this is my lounge chair workout that you can do all summer long. And all you're gonna need is yourself and a towel. Let's go ahead and get started. So our first exercise is going to be lat pull downs with a knee up, or I could say a towel down, but we're gonna be doing 10 of these. All you're gonna do is you're gonna reach the hands up overhead, lean back slightly so that you can engage the core, and all you're gonna do is draw the towel down towards the shin, lift it right back up, and switch sides. So let's go ahead and do 10 of these together. These are gonna be a great way to warm up for our lounge chair workout, starting now. 10, 9, 8, make sure to keep the core engaged. 7, stay breathing. 6, 5, already halfway through. 4, 3, last 2, and last 1. So exercise number 2 is a push-up variation. I'm gonna give you the advanced version first. However, I'm going to execute the great version, as I say. The advanced version, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep my feet on the actual lounge chair, walk myself out to this push-up plank position, and all you gotta do is drop it down low. So that would be 1, 2, but we're gonna do a total of 10. I'm gonna finish up over here with the last 8. All I'm gonna do is put my hands a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. Make sure that your core stays engaged, your glutes, your quads, you're lowering down. 3, we have 4. It's all about those arms during, the old summer. We got the last 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Exercise number 3, we're just gonna do it from standing right next to the lounge chair. We'll just do a few little squats with an actual toe tap on the lounge chair. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squat down and I'm gonna come up and then tap my toe. We're gonna do a total of 10 again. So we have 1, tap the toe, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can tell, the trend of this is 10 of each, right? 9 and 10. Exercise number 4, we're keeping it in the leg still. I'm just gonna flip myself around and we're gonna be moving into split lunges, 5 on each side. So I have one of my legs behind me. Make sure that you are nice and stable on this front leg, and all you're gonna do is slowly lunge down. It's working on seeing how low you can get. Your knee obviously doesn't have to touch the ground, and then you're just coming right back up. Working through this standing leg, so that's 1. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, and then all you gotta do is switch legs. So I'm gonna flip the other foot back, make sure I'm stable on this front side. I have a really beautiful view, so it makes it this easy. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. So for our last exercise, we're gonna take it back to the core. All we're gonna do is we're gonna be doing ab pull-ins. So I'm gonna sit at the edge of my chair, holding onto the edge of the chair. I'm gonna lean far enough back to engage my core, extending my legs out, and I'm just gonna be pulling my knees in. Now I wanna tell you that we're doing 10, however, we're doing 15. We have like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So that is the lounge chair workout. You can do that whole exercise 3 times through. Should take you about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can go enjoy the sun.